kind isn't hard. It doesn't take that much time, and it most certainly doesn't take away from anything that you're doing in your day. Okay, unpopular opinion here, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it anyway. It's getting increasingly hard to be kind, especially when we live in a time where everybody's just not really being so kind to one another. But as a mom of 3, trying my best not to raise total D-bags, I feel like it's my responsibility to teach kindness and to show kindness. I also feel like, given the current climate, and no girl, I am not talking about swimsuit season versus the Arctic tundra. I am talking about, you know, the other kind of climate. I feel like it's more important than ever to show kindness, even if people are not necessarily deserving of it, if you know what I'm saying. And one of my favorite ways to teach my kids kindness is to lead by example. You know, it's one thing to talk to your kids about being kind, but it's a whole nother ballgame to actually put those words into action. So I have challenged my family to come up with a single act of kindness per person that we can live out, and let's see what we come up with. I will go first because this was my idea, so it's only fair. So I think what I'm gonna do is go through my phone book. Is that even a thing anymore? Do I call it a phone book? I'm gonna go through my contacts. There we go. I'm gonna go through my contacts. I'm gonna pick 5 people to randomly call and compliment. Okay, we're gonna call my mom right now and pay her a compliment.
Hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hello, I was just calling to tell you that you're a wonderful mother.
Oh, why?
What do you mean why? Because you're a wonderful mom.
Oh, thanks. Gabby.
Hi, Fun Fun.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. What's shaking?
Oh, nothing. Just calling to tell you that I love you and miss you and appreciate you.
Well, all of the above right back at you.
Just thought you should know you have the sexiest beard I've ever seen.
Oh, you want to take advantage of it?
Okay, love you.
Love you, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, I actually think that was kind of selfish because I'm pretty sure that made me feel happier than it did the people that I called, but that's fine. I still did my act of kindness. Next up is my husband.
Can I get a number 1 with chocolate shake?
Would you like cheese on it today?
Yes, please.
Alright, anything else for you?
Would we be able to pay for the car next to us?
Yeah, we can do that for you.
Okay, awesome. We'll go ahead and do that then.
Okay, so we've got our meal. We paid for the car behind us. We just did a burger, fries, and then a chocolate shake. And hopefully we come by, well, not hopefully. It would be nice to not see anyone who needs a meal, but I imagine we're gonna see someone and we will make sure that they get this meal.
My oldest daughter saw you and she wanted us to give this to you.
You're welcome.
Shake as well.
Thank you.
Yes,
Welcome,
of
enjoy.
course. God bless.
Thank you.
I'm gonna let my 7-year-old take it away. Vivian, what you got? Her idea was to set out a snack tray for our delivery people and mail person. They work really hard. They are delivering to us day in and day out, no matter the weather conditions or what's going on around them, and we really appreciate it. My mama heart is so proud. That was a good one. Now let's see what my 3-year-old comes up with. So my middle child, Florence, she decided she wanted to take a trash walk around our neighborhood, which is something we do often, to just walk around and collect any trash that we see on the ground, and we take it back home and we either recycle it or throw it in the garbage. But I'm so proud of my girls and their dedication to keeping our planet clean. Little trash bag, and we're just walking through the neighborhood trying to pick up some trash. Come on, Fluffy.
It's a crime against fashion, literally.
I think that might be a dog leash, honey.
Well, it's a crime against dog fashion. Then.
How is it a crime against dog fashion?
You think that was so gorgeous leaf?
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, me too. Look at this.
Ooh, you guys have sister leaves. They kind of look alike. All right, let's finish our trash walk. Just, my heart's a puddle. It's a puddle. I'm so proud. See, being kind isn't hard. It doesn't take that much time, and it most certainly doesn't take away from anything that you're doing in your day. We could all use a little more kindness in this world, given the SHIT show that we've all been through in the last 2 years. So I am challenging you to go out of your way today and do something kind for someone else. Now stay kind and be kind, my friends.